Hey, it's Nick Garcia, your favorite Austin realtor. In today's video, we're going to talk about Taylor, Texas. Taylor, Texas has recently made national news as Samsung's choice for its new $17 billion chip plant. Samsung is expected to break ground early next year on a roughly 6 million square foot factory on more than 1,200 acres between Hutto and Taylor. This is going to provide close to 2,000 direct jobs and thousands of more jobs that are indirect. The factory is expected to be complete around 2014, with operations running by the fourth quarter of that year. Samsung and Austin have literally put Taylor, Texas on the map. Where the heck is Taylor, Texas, and what kind of house can you buy in Taylor, Texas? So Taylor is 45 minutes northeast of downtown Austin, Texas. Taylor, like most cities surrounding Austin, is experiencing a population boom. Taylor's population has increased about 14% since 2010, so about a decade, with most of the growth, like other cities around Austin, occurring very recently. Taylor has a historic downtown shopping area, great parks, good barbecue, is near a popular lake, and even has a really cool local artist culture. Neighboring cities to Taylor, Texas are Hutto, Manor, and Round Rock. All three of these cities are popular destinations for folks moving to the area looking for homes in the $300,000 to $400,000 price range, and also some Austinites that are being priced out of Austin's rising property taxes. These three cities also made my list of the best investment opportunities for 2022. So make sure to check out that video as I discuss a little bit more about them and other cool investment opportunities for next year. The median listing price of a home in Taylor, Texas is under $300,000, sitting at around $276,000, while the median listing price of homes in Austin are some over $500,000. The affordable housing opportunities in Taylor are very attractive to homeowners and families looking to live in the Austin area without that hefty price tag. So let's take a look and see what is available at the shooting of this video in early December of 2021. Normally I'd take you inside my Austin MLS, but as I was digging a little bit deeper, because there's very little for sale in Taylor, Texas aside from land, I was digging outside of the MLS and I discovered a few ready to build new construction homes. So I'm going to show you some of these homes on Redfin instead of the MLS. So let's take a look and see what you can get in Taylor right now. All right, and here I am on my screen. I'm on Redfin, and here you can see the outline for Taylor, Texas. And so we have a lot of these $1 million listings. These are for land. So don't think that you're buying houses for the $1 million price range. So we have one here for $450. It's a 3.2, a little bit less than 2,000 square feet. Here's one for $289. This one looks a little bit updated. Yeah, 3.2, 1,200 square feet. This is somewhat of a tiny home here. Lots of land. So as you can see, there's not $150,000 for 800 square feet here. Small home. And you can see all here, these little grid areas, that's where the neighborhoods in Taylor, Texas are. And aside from that, you just have large parcels of land. And then here's those that I mentioned earlier that I found outside the MLS. These are ready to build. So there's obviously a new development happening right here in the $300,000 price range for brand new homes. These are probably going to go pretty quickly with people anticipating Samsung's new construction, as well as these properties are going to appreciate. It's just a matter of time. So I wouldn't rule out areas like Hutto here, even coming into Round Rock. This is the main road from I-35 that you'll be able to get to Taylor, Texas. And Georgetown's not too far away also. And here is Elgin, is another town that is not terribly far from Taylor. So there are a lot of areas, Pflugerville, that I would not rule out if you are have, maybe you have a future job at Samsung in Texas and you want to be close to the plant. So there you have it. As you can see, there's not a lot for sale in Taylor, Texas at the moment, and there won't be anything for sale even in the near future. It's still a very small town. And it is far enough from Austin that it hasn't had the crazy population growth like places like Buda, Round Rock, Pflugerville, Cedar Park have had in the last couple of years. So I wouldn't rule out areas that are near Taylor, Texas, like Hutto. I suspect we'll see more and more new construction developments in and around Taylor in the next months and years as Samsung begins construction on their new plant. And of course, as Austin continues to expand north and east, because those are pretty much the only directions that there can be a lot of expansion in Austin right now. So whether you're looking in Taylor, Texas, or anywhere around Austin, I can help you find your next place to call home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one, and don't forget to have a great day.